Right now, your graphics card is lying to you. When you play a game at 4K or 1440p, your GPU isn't actually rendering those pixels. It's rendering a tiny 1080p image and using an eye to stretch it out. This is called upscaling. Today, we are breaking down the technical differences between NVIDIA's DLSS and AMD's FSR to see which technology actually gives you the best FPS without ruining your graphics. Let's start with DLSS, or Deep Learning Supersampling. DLSS is an exclusive club. It requires physical, dedicated AI hardware called tensor cores, which you can only find on NVIDIA RTX graphics cards. Think of DLSS like an artist with a photographic memory. It takes a low-resolution frame, passes it through a massive neural network model, and looks at motion vectors to guess what the missing pixels should look like. Because it uses dedicated AI hardware, the image is incredibly stable, with almost zero flickering or shimmering, and it gives you features like multi-frame generation on newer architectures to multiply your frame rates by up to 4 times. Then we have AMD's FSR, or Fidelity FX Super Resolution. FSR takes a completely different approach. AMD designed FSR to be open source, meaning it doesn't require special AI chips. It runs on standard shaders. Because of this, FSR works on almost any graphics card, NVIDIA, AMD, or even Intel, while older versions of FSR faced criticism for being blurry or having ghosting trails. AMD completely rebuilt the technology for FSR4, moving to a machine learning model that analyzes data just like NVIDIA does. In fact, AMD just announced that this new FSR4 upscaling is officially trickling down to older RX 7000 and 6000 series cards, breathing massive new life into budget hardware. So, what's the actual difference when you are playing? It comes down to a trade-off. DLSS still wins the crown for absolute image stability, especially if you turn on heavy graphics settings like ray tracing. It handles tiny details like distant power lines, rain, or fine mesh fences without making them shimmer. FSR4 has incredibly close performance and visual quality now, making it the undisputed king for budget gamers. If you don't own an RTX card, FSR is your absolute best friend for boosting your FPS. The verdict is simple. Use DLSS if you have an NVIDIA RTX card, use FSR if you are on an AMD, Intel, or older hardware to instantly unlock free performance. We officially just hit 50 subscribers on this channel, and our next stop is 100. If this breakdown made sense to you, hit that like and subscribe button and comment below. Are you Team NVIDIA or Team AMD? I will see you in the next one.